Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Beginner English Speaking TV. I'm Mike, and this is my co-host, Sarah. If you're new here, our channel is all about helping beginners like you build confidence in speaking English through fun, everyday conversations. We've got episodes on greetings, food, travel, and more. Today, we're diving into something super practical: shopping and money conversations. Whether you're buying clothes, groceries, or gifts, these phrases will make your life easier when you're out and about.
That's right, Mike. Shopping is one of those daily activities where English comes in handy, especially if you're traveling or living in an English-speaking country. In this episode, we'll cover everything from asking prices to paying with cash or cards. We'll keep it simple, slow, and repetitive so you can follow along easily. Remember, practice makes perfect. So grab a notebook or just repeat out loud as we go.
Absolutely. In this lesson, you will practice several key skills to boost your English. First, speaking. We'll have you saying phrases out loud. Second, listening. Tune your ears to natural dialogues. Third, shadowing. That's where you repeat after us to mimic pronunciation. Fourth, pronunciation. We'll break down tricky sounds. And fifth, vocabulary. Building your word bank with shopping essentials. By the end, you'll feel ready to handle a real store conversation.
And don't skip to the end. We've got a fun practice quiz waiting for you to test what you've learned. Plus, if you stick around, you'll get tips on how to use these phrases in real life. Let's get started. Are you excited? We sure are.
Okay, friends, let's start with listening practice. This is a short dialogue between a customer and a shop assistant. I'll play the customer, and Sarah will be the assistant. We'll speak slowly first so you can hear every word clearly. Just listen and try to understand. No need to repeat yet. That's coming later. Excuse me, how much is this t-shirt?
It's $10.
Do you take credit cards?
Yes, we do.
Okay, I'll take it.
Here is your receipt.
Great job listening. Now let's hear it again, but a little faster this time. This is how people might speak in a real store. Not too fast, but natural. Pay attention to the rhythm and intonation. Excuse me, how much is this t-shirt?
It's $10.
Do you take credit cards?
Yes, we do.
Okay, I'll take it.
Here is your receipt. How did that sound? If it was tricky, don't worry. We'll break it down more in the next sections. Listening gets easier with repetition. Let's move on to building your vocabulary.
Vocabulary is the foundation of any conversation, so let's learn some useful shopping words. These are common terms you'll hear or use when buying things. I'll say each word slowly, show you how to pronounce it, and give a quick definition. Then repeat after me. Ready? Let's go. First word, price. That's the amount of money something costs. Price. Next, cash. Money in the form of coins or bills. Cash. Next, credit card. A plastic card for paying without cash. Credit card. Next, receipt. A paper or email showing what you bought. Receipt. Next, cheap. Not expensive. Low cost, cheap. Next, expensive. High cost. Costs a lot. Expensive. Next, customer. The person buying something, customer. Next, shop assistant. The person helping in the store, shop assistant.
Excellent. Now that you've got the words, let's use them in short phrases. This will help you remember how they fit into sentences. I'll say each phrase slowly, explain it briefly, and pause for you to repeat. First, the price is $10. This tells how much something costs. The price is $10. Second, I want to pay with cash. Use this when you have bills or coins. I want to pay with cash. Third, can I use a credit card? Asking if cards are accepted. Can I use a credit card? Fourth, here is your receipt. What the assistant says after payment. Here is your receipt. Fifth, this shirt is cheap. Describing something affordable. This shirt is cheap. Sixth, that bag is expensive. For something that costs a lot. That bag is expensive.
You're doing great. Practice these words daily. Maybe label things in your home or say them while shopping online. Vocabulary sticks when you use it. Up next, shadowing to improve your speaking flow. Shadowing is a powerful technique where you repeat exactly what we say, trying to match our speed, tone, and pronunciation. It's like echoing us. This helps with fluency and accent. We'll start slow with sentences using our new vocabulary. Repeat after us. Speak out loud. How much is this? It's $5. Do you take cash? Yes, we take cash and cards. This bag is cheap. That dress is expensive. Here is your receipt. Fantastic! Now let's say them a little faster to build speed. Ready? Focus on the natural flow. Don't rush if it's hard. How much is this? It's $5. Do you take cash? Yes, we take cash and cards. This bag is cheap. That dress is expensive. Here is your receipt. How do you feel? Shadowing might feel awkward at first, but it's one of the best ways to sound more natural. Keep practicing this section multiple times. Now, let's put it all together in a role play. Time for role play. This is where we act out a full conversation. I'll be the customer and Sarah the cashier. Watch and listen first. Then we'll invite you to join.
Hello, can I help you?
Yes. How much is this bag?
It's $25.
Do you take cash only?
No, we take cards too.
Great. I'll buy it.
Here is your receipt. Thank you.
Thank you. Goodbye.
See? Simple and straightforward. Now, Let's make it interactive. You be the customer, and I'll be the cashier. I'll say my lines, then pause for you to respond as the customer. Speak out loud. Hello, can I help you? It's $25. No, we take cards too. Here is your receipt. Thank you.
Awesome! Now switch roles. You be the cashier and Sarah will be the customer. Respond to her lines. Wait, I'll prompt, but you respond as cashier.
Yes. How much is this bag? Do you take cash only? Great. I'll buy it. Thank you. Goodbye.
See? Simple and straightforward. Now let's make it interactive. You be the customer and I'll be the cashier. I'll say my lines, then pause for you to respond as the customer. Speak out loud. Hello, can I help you? It's $25. No, we take cards too. Here is your receipt. Thank you. Awesome. Now switch roles. You be the cashier and Sarah will be the customer. Respond to her lines. Wait, I'll prompt, but you respond as cashier. Yes, how much is this bag? Yes, how much is this bag? Do you take cash only? Great. I'll buy it. Thank you. Goodbye. Practice both sides to get comfortable. Role plays like this build real-world confidence. If you have a friend, try it with them. For extra practice, here are more real shopping phrases. These go beyond the basics, useful for trying on clothes or asking for deals. Shadow us again. Repeat after each line. Can I try this on?
Yes, the fitting room is over there.
Do you have this in a smaller size?
Sorry, only large sizes are available.
Can I get a discount?
It's already on sale.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, you can. These phrases can save you in a store. Repeat this section daily. Now, test yourself with our quiz.
Now it's time for a short quiz to review. We'll ask questions based on the dialogues. Choose the best answer out loud or in your mind. We'll reveal the correct one after a pause.
Question 1. What did the customer buy in the first dialogue? A. A t-shirt. B. A bag. C. Shoes. The answer is A. A t-shirt. From our listening practice.
Question 2. How much was the bag in the role play? A. $10. B. $25. C. $50. Correct. B. $25.
Question 3. What did the customer ask about in the role play? A. Cash only. B. Delivery. C. Colors. Answer C. A. Cash only.
Question 4. What do you get after payment? A. A receipt. B. A coupon. C. A bag. Right. A. A receipt.
Great job. If you got them all, congrats. If not, rewind and review. Repeating the video helps solidify these phrases.
If you enjoyed this lesson on shopping and money conversations, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Beginner English Speaking TV for more beginner-friendly English practice. Hit the bell for notifications so you never miss an episode.
And remember, the key to improving English is consistent practice. Try using these phrases next time you shop, even if it's online or in your native language first. Share in the comments, what's your favorite shopping phrase from today? See you in the next episode. Bye for now.